Alright guys, so today Nick is gonna be installing my windows for the car. Nick Teehee Racing. I asked him to come by and install the windows because I'm like, he will do a better job than me for sure. And he's gonna record how he's gonna be doing this, okay?
Yeah, it smells like E85.
Yes, race E85. It's muy rico.
We put racing stripes. Yep, just a bunch of dealerships, and then... No.
That's the lock. Oh, so you're gonna put a real okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna have the bolt going through, put that, and then we're gonna put the metal piece just for his spacer.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I was gonna do rubber, but I couldn't really find anything.
No, this is fine, this is fine. This is a race car, doesn't matter. There's one more right there. И оно будет просто сюда заходить, как бы держать его, правильно? So it's gonna come out there.
Yeah, but we're gonna put the.
That's good.
We're gonna have the window coming through. It'll be fine. All right, so we got the window up, in. Is the door closed? Oh, the door's not even closed. So the door needs a little work, but it's all right. So the door goes in, you kind of press it in like that, and there's your window. We just gotta add all the rest of the bolts on, clean up the door, and that's it. And then we need to add something here so when we open up the door, it doesn't get caught on this trim. We could cut it, but it looks clean when your door's closed. So I think we just add something here, and when you open it, you kind of just press on it, pick up the window, and it'll open up just like so. Got the little shooter down here all glued and then screwed off everything. And then we use these little PVC for some spacers. I still got to tighten this one up, but PVC for some spacers. They look good. It gives a little dimple in the fiberglass, but you just got to be careful, make sure it doesn't crack it. And right here is just a even seam all the way through. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. Heavy. It's pretty good. See in, see out. It's good.
guys.
We got Stan the man,
Okay, guys.
the brother right here.
What the hell is this?
What the heck? He needs to
No,
put
you
some
need to put a
rubber.
rubber seal?
Yeah, so we need to throw a rubber seal on here.
I have one.
Let's do it.
Check it out, watch.
What do you got? We got this one all bolted up. It opens up, but this part kind of catches there. We gotta trim that up. But yeah.
Buddy, just like on one side.
No, but you need to go over the whole thing. Yeah, because it'll grab on this side.
Look, buddy, you're gonna have to shorten the window down then.
No, look, you just push the window that way, and it'll just slide in.
Oh shit, too much.
No, it's nice. There you go.
Look at that.
Easy peasy. What I'm thinking, you know the door handles?
Yeah?
Like, you know, for your cabinets? Pull just to it. So when you pull it out, you can just
Oh, kind of pull with it.
pull with it. Same with that side, that's what it needs. It needs a little handle.
No, the only thing is catching on
Because
is right here.
if you cut it all the way back here, it's just be like too much.
No, just in this little
No,
corner.
I know that part, yeah, it'll be easy. But I'm saying on that side, you would have to cut back like a whole quarter inch, it wouldn't look
Wait,
good.
isn't he trying to put the plexiglass windshield too?
No, I think he's keeping this, but he's doing the rear one.
That fucking window's gonna fly out.
You gotta throw a lot of glue on it, but
This shit too.
she's pretty much done.
I would use a metal, at least like metal brackets.
I wonder how much one window is. Or like, wait.
Lightweight, baby.
14 pounds? The actual cost. 10.
I'm gonna cut it like this right now and make sure it closes really good. But Nick did amazing job. I'm really happy. I just had no idea how we're gonna do this, you know? So Nick is gonna install the windows somehow like this. That's actually what a stock form used to look like, is right here. This is so cool. Wow. I hate the fake carbon fiber version, but I didn't have no choice because they didn't have any other versions over there. Actually, this looks really nice. This looks super nice. This is like original form right there. Wow. Right that I'm looking at this thing, I'm just recording. I know like it doesn't have to look perfect, just gotta work and that's it. And you have a really good idea to put it over there. I couldn't even think of that. I don't know why. But I didn't see these pieces. I want to see that. Yeah, that individual that I had that over there.
Temporary. Maybe if you find those ones, or maybe I'll get some different ones. It's gonna hold.
But it will hold.
Yeah, it's not going anywhere.
Hold.
Don't get me wrong. It's
Wow.
not going anywhere, but
This is so crazy. I'm so happy.
yeah. The other side.
Wow.
Kind of bolted in.
I'm so super happy. That looks original, bro. Like honestly. Wow. Can I get the second thing?
Yeah, so I decided.
We went all the way out. Alright guys, and we're finished. Thanks to Nick for helping me out and doing all this work. I really appreciate it, you Nick.
Of course.
Man, I'm so excited. Now we gotta go put the old methanol out and drive around for all gas to go away. Do you think that like 4 months is bad fuel already?
Yeah.
Also just in case.
Well, what kind of
But I
fuel?
use Ignite.
Maybe it'll be okay.
Maybe, but you don't know, you know? We never know.
Drive it.
Just drive around and put some new one in, right?
Yeah.
Alright guys, see you later. Guys, I also called somebody to my buddy, and he's gonna come by and weld me a little metal, not a little bit, it's a piece that I had behind over there. He's gonna weld me somehow over here, that piece over there. So just in case, if because before we do a full crash bar, if somebody crashes into me from the side, so they don't hit me and don't break my hand or nothing worse. So he's about to be here. I just called him. He's like, hey, Alex, I can come by tonight. So he's gonna come by at night, and we're gonna weld that little piece in there, weld that thing in there, just for more safety, because I don't feel safe with just a fiberglass door like that. You know what I mean? And then after everything's finished, I'm gonna install a carbon fiber door panels right here, because I forgot to install them. So I really appreciate Nick for doing all this work for me. Now I gotta finish the rest of my things, and it's all done for now. So my buddy came by and he's gonna weld me this metal tube. This is not anything crazy. This is just to make the car a little bit safer. So we're gonna weld it right here. We're gonna cut it like that, and then we're gonna weld this one like this somehow, just in case if somebody hits me, it doesn't go through and hits me. This is not like a full cage bar, of course, or nothing like that, but this is just gonna make it look a little bit safer. А там же капот не открывается, так что это можно как бы поснимать вообще полностью, если там можно же.
Да и шо?
Нормально, нормально.
И здесь еще?
Угу. Круто. Найс, найс. Вау, окей. Ой, аккуратно. Все, хватит. Четко вижу.
Горячая.
Окей. Да, все. Нормально. Wow. I'm so excited, guys. So excited to go race this busy. He did a really good job welding this thing right here. Really good job. Amazing job. This is not gonna fall off or not like that. Definitely no. And now we're about to put a carbon fiber door panels right now, with some self tappers. Damn, bruh. Yes. Alright guys, now I'm finally done. Subscribe, comment, and like. Let's get this video so popular, and let's get it running 9-second quarter mile pass. 9-7 baby, let's go!